Hello engineers, Radhe Radhe. So engineers, welcome back to our YouTube channel and must welcome back to our Factory Talks Optics Studio tutorial. So in this video, we are going to just discussing about duration topic. What is duration in Factory Talks Optics? So first of all, you know that what is the meaning of duration? Duration means time. Time. Understand how many duration it will take to do anything perform. So in Factory Talks Optics Studio, so how to use duration and how it will be work in the Factory Talks Optics step by step. I have to just describe on it. So first of all, my topic is duration in Factory Talks Optics, and I have to create a new screen. Here I have to take a duration. So just click right on it and go to the new. In new section, go to the base control, and last option is duration. Last option is duration. So you have to take the duration here, and this is the duration. And from here you have to also change the font size. Like as I have to just modify it 20. Understand? This is duration, and I have to create a new. Just go to the base control, and I have to take a toggle button for start LED start button, and I have to create this tag here, this button here, and the font size will go to its 25. Understand? This is the start button. When I have to press start, the duration will be start. So I have to take a new, go to the new and go to the base control, and here I have to choose LED light. Understand? This is LED light. This is the duration time, and go to the new screen. Go to the new, then go to the base control, and here you have to choose text box. Understand? Here you have to choose text box. This is the text box, and what is the size of text box? The size will going to its 20. Understand? So I have to create a example in Studio 5000. The example is when I have to press the start push button. When I have to press the start push button, the timer will be start, and timer TT bit will be LED on. When timer TT bit is running, then LED light will be on. When timer done bit will be coming, then LED light off. This is the example. Understand? This is the example. And also, and a start button will be also unlatch. Control C and Control V, and I have to drag this tag here. Understand? Then I have to finalize it. Understand? So this is the condition. So when I have to press the start button, then timer will be start. When timer TT bit is running, then LED light on. When timer done bit is done, then LED light off and a start button unlatch. Understand? This is the start button, this is the LED light, this is the timer preset value, and this is the timer accumulator value. Understand? So I have to, this is a toggle button, and I have to just click on modify value, and I have to choose go to the command variable command toggle. I have to choose toggle, and I have to just drag the tag here. Which type the tag name is going to start to. Understand? Then go to the communication driver and go to the local Ethernet, go to the emulator, then go to the tag. In controller tags you have to start to number bit is available. Understand? And LED to for LED light, and timer preset value is text box, and timer accumulator value is from duration. This is the when I have to open it. When I have to open it, variable modify toggle button. Understand? When I have to open this, then LED light to tag will be applied, and when I open it, then timer preset value will be applied. Understand? When I open it, the timer accumulator value will be applied. Now I have to just call this screen on main window and just drag a screen 4 here. Already it will be drag Control Z screen 4 already. Now I have to emulate the emulator. And what's happened? Let's see. When I have to emulate emulator, then you have to know what is I have to do, and when I have to press the start button, then which type of option will be work. When I have to press start button, I have to also open logic here, and when I have to start push button, understand, when I have to start push button, when I have to press start push button. Okay. It will be not working. Why it will be not working? Skin, go to the skin for start pb command toggle bit start pb text active पे start to. Okay, this is the wrong start to. I have to apply it. It will be right. acc सही तो है. Now stopping, it will be a stop. Now I have to emulate this screen. Go to the screen 4 and open the logic. When I have to press the start button, then timer will be start. Its timer value is 30 seconds, and this timer value will be here increase 10 second, 11, 12 second, 30 seconds, and it's also micro yani milliseconds. So 765 this is a millisecond. After 30 seconds the light will be going to off. The light should go to off. Understand? The light should go to off. Understand? When I have to also press the start pb, then timer will be start, and it's now I have to change the value for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds light will be off. By this way you can use the duration in FactoryTalk Optics Studio. By this method you can use duration in FactoryTalk Optics Studio. I hope you will be know that what is the use of FactoryTalk, what is the use of duration in FactoryTalk Optics Studio. Thanks engineers. Radhe Radhe.